Tesla fan, let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to show you how to set up cabin overheat protection in your Tesla to keep the interior cool and comfortable, even on those hot days. So, first things first, guys, you want to open climate controls. Start by tapping on the controls icon at the bottom of your touchscreen, and then just navigate to climate. Okay, then what I want you to do is enable overheat protection. You want to look for the cabin overheat protection option. Okay, you want to toggle this on to activate this feature. Then I want you to choose your settings. You'll have a couple of options. You can turn it on, and this will keep the cabin cool by running the air conditioner if the temperature exceeds 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, or you can just turn it off, where you can disable it if you prefer not to use this feature. And another thing, guys, if you want, you can adjust the temperature threshold, guys. There's an option for that as well. If you want to customize the temperature threshold, just tap on temperature and then set it to your desired limit so you can keep your Tesla at the perfect comfortable level for you. Then, guys, make sure to check your settings. Make sure everything is set up correctly before you leave. Okay, guys, you can also monitor the temperature from your Tesla app actually while you're away. That is something really cool. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further. See you.